Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, if you are using Windows 11 and had Copilot, I have a lot of people coming back to me saying, I had Copilot and suddenly I don't have Copilot. And some have Copilot disappear with 23H2. Some, it was there one day, it was gone the other day. So here's what's happening. Microsoft has acknowledged that in certain circumstances, Copilot has issues. One of them, if you are using more than one screen, they have prevented Copilot from installing on your PC and might have even removed it if you had it, because apparently it has icons jumping around from screen to screen. Something is happening with the way that it works. So that's one of the things about it. The other thing is that there's a few little things and a few little issues here and there that you have noted. And what they decided to do is just push the updates, but just make sure that Copilot isn't installed for the time being on machines that they know will have a possible issue with Copilot. So that's why some of you have Copilot disappear. And that's also why some of you have no Copilot. And of course, don't forget, if you are if you live in the European Union, Copilot is not offered for now because of regulations. It will at some point. I don't know what change they're going to have to bring to it, but it will eventually be there. But for now, European Union viewers of this video will not get Copilot for the time being. So that's what's happening with the Copilot. Some of you have Copilot removed for some technical reasons. And those of you that don't see it and that are not in the EU, it could be a glitch that's preventing it, and they're just holding on to it until everything's fixed. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.